Oh my gosh. Now this right here is how you use AI to write emails. Because that other stuff y'all been doing, that ain't it. Watch this. All right, so we're on the platform of my new culturally smart AI copywriter. Her name is Aipro. And I have someone who asks us about writing affiliate emails. So here's the information that I'm sharing directly from the individual who asked for the content demo. So it says, I need help writing emails for an affiliate offer. Start with email 1. Here's the info. The audience is female entrepreneurs. I also want to target those owners who are ready at the $1 million mark in their businesses. The 1-year program is all about generating $100K in addition to, on top of, what a business owner already generates. It's done through partnering with Arlan Hamilton and our all access program to show business owners how to expand their personal brand, continue to hone their unique skills while expanding their network and making a significant impact in their field. If after following the guidelines an additional $100K is not made, there will be a complete refund. So that's not a whole lot of details. I'm still a little bit confused about what we're doing here, but let's go ahead and see what April comes up with in order to help this individual create some affiliate content so she can share with others what this program is all about. And here's the initial email that April came up with. Come through, April. Right out the gate, I can tell that this is a sales email and not one from that other type of platforms that would say, hey, I hope this email finds you well, or some other crazy stuff. Imagine adding an extra $100K to your already thriving business. Come on now. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to turn that dream into reality. We've partnered with Arlan Hamilton and her All Access program to bring you a 1-year program designed specifically for female entrepreneurs like you who are already killing it in the $1 million mark. April, you better work. This program is all about taking your business to the next level, expanding your personal brand, honing your unique skills, and making a significant impact in your field. But here's the kicker. If you don't make an additional $100K after following our guidelines, you get a complete refund. Yes, you read that right. We're so confident in the value and potential of this program that we're willing to put our money where she said put our money where our mouth is. You better come through, girl. Hey, my AI. So are you ready to take your business to new heights? Let's get it popping. All right. So let's see what she comes in with email 2. So let's kind of see if this can be a good email sequence flow. She's also asking in the PS, this is for the person who's using April. Would you like to craft additional subject lines for this email? This is not to go out in the email, but this is a note to you as the user. Okay, now she's going a little bit deeper. Remember that extra $100K we talked about? Let's dive into how you can make it happen. Our 1-year program in partnership with Arlan Hamilton's All Access program is designed to help you expand your personal brand, hone your unique skills, and make a significant impact in your field. Here's how it works. Expand your personal brand. We'll help you identify your unique selling proposition and leverage it to stand out in your industry. Hone your skills. Our team of experts will work with you to refine your skills and ensure you're at the top of your game. Make an impact. We'll show you how to use your skills and brand to make a significant impact in your field, attracting more clients and boosting your bottom line. And remember, if you don't make an additional $100K after following our guidelines, you get a complete refund. That's our promise to you. She says, stay tuned for our next email. Now, we can refine that call to action. Again, we don't have a ton of information about how people can sign up. I didn't get a link to a landing page or anything. So April's just going off the brief amount of information that was shared with her, and she's out here killing it. So let's do email 3 with some urgency. Now, I don't know if there's urgency around this offer, but let's see what April comes up with. Time is ticking, and we don't want you to miss out on this golden opportunity to add an extra $100K to your business. Our 1-year program in partnership with Arlan Hamilton's All Access program is not just about making money. It's about expanding your personal brand, honing your unique skills, and making a significant impact in your field. Do you see how April is repeating those 3 core concepts? We don't have access to a landing page, so she's reiterating the benefits as we have communicated them to her. And if we want her to use a different language, we need to give her a landing page with more details on it. But here's the thing, spots are filling up fast. We have a limited number of seats available, and they're going like hotcakes. If you don't act now, you might miss on this game. You might miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Remember, if you don't make it, she keeps impressing upon this, because this is the money detail, right? Everybody wants a complete refund if they don't get the results that they were promised. So this is critical to make sure it's in every single email. All right. So there you have it. April can keep going on with this, email 4, email 5, email 6. But to get into all this, you're going to have to invest in April. What'd you think? Did April show out, or did she show out? Yes. Again, April specializes in crafting copy that's culturally smart and specifically set for diverse multicultural audiences. And it's specifically trained to be a sales copywriter. What that means is, behind the scenes, I dropped all my 20 plus years of experience into the tool. So it specializes and focuses on sales and marketing content, all the content you need to promote, market, and sell your products and offers, right? And so she does that in a very conversational way. So the content relates and resonates with the folks who are on the other side as the reader, right? There's no other tool in the market right now doing it like April does it. But don't take my word for it. Go check it out for yourself at chatwithaipro.ai. That's chatwithaipro.ai. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.